Hi everyone. Today we will see Angular. We will go through the installation process. What all needed to be installed before proceeding with our coding process in Angular. I'm sharing the document. You can go through this one. As we need to install Visual Studio Code, Node.js, Bootstrap, and Angular material. Okay. Now I will share all this description in my information section. You can go through the link from there. Okay. What you need to do? First, you need to copy this one, and then you need to go to a Google and simply paste it. Okay. Okay. I'm using Mac, so here it's coming Mac. And if you're using Windows, there will you can get option for a Windows. So simply you need to click this one, and you can download for this Windows as a stable version. Okay. First, this thing you need to download Visual Studio Code. It's a free. Anyone can use. Okay. After this, second thing is Node.js. Again, same thing you need to do. You need to copy this one. You need to go to your Google and you need to paste that URL. Okay. And you need to download the 16.16.0 LTS. Okay. Once these two things get downloaded, I will not download because already I have this software. So I will not download it. Okay. It will take little of times. You can download it. After downloading, you can go to your, if you're using Windows, then you will get a command prompt. And if you're using Mac, then it's a terminal. Okay. You can go to a terminal. So now you can check your installation. Okay. Now what you need to do here, simply write, like first we have installed Node.js right now. So node hyphen, see, you will get this thing. Means already it's installed in your system. Okay. Now after this, what we need to do? We need to proceed with our Angular. We need to do the installation for Angular. For Angular installation, there's a command installation. Yeah. You can use npm install. Sorry. You can write npm install. Why it's taking a while? Just a second. Npm install -g denotes it will take globally. Okay. Means it will install throughout your system. Okay. And after that, Angular slash CLI at the rate which version you want to use. Okay, like currently stable as 11 or 12 we can use it. Okay, so I will write 11. It will download Angular 11. Okay, now we can see this in our command prompt. Okay, and if you want to check whether your system have the Angular or not installed, for that you can use ng-version. I can show you this command in progress. You can write ng-version. Okay. Yeah. You can see already I have the Angular installed. Angular CLI, I'm using 12. Node is 16. Okay. That's all needed. Now after this, yeah. Now after this, you need to make one directory where you want to work. Okay. So mkdir, it is short form. How we can make a directory? Like I will take here demo today. Okay. Demo today. Fine. I make the directory. After that, what I need to do, I need to go inside this directory where I will clone my project. Okay. To change the directory, now in Apple, okay, I need to go inside the directory. So I need to write cd demo today, enter it. Now see, we are inside demo today. Okay. Now in this place, we need to create our first project. Okay. For creating our first project, again, we have a command. First project. For that, we have a command ng new, whatever name you want to give of your application. Okay, like I will give today. Okay, I will write same command in my terminal. Okay, ng new today, and it will take little of times. Okay, because it gonna install all the packages related to that person and everything. It is asking for routing. We can do yes or no also. Routing mainly what's happened means when we're navigating from one page to another page. So currently we will take it routing. Okay, in future we will get a more description about this one. Okay, like what you want to use. You want to CSS as CSS. We are using CSS here for your convenient. Okay. Yeah. Now it will take little of times to install all the packages. Yeah. I will resume the video. Just I'm pausing the recording now. Now you can see all the packages installed successfully. Okay, fine. Now what we need to do? We have created a project with what name? Name today. Okay, now we need to go inside this today. We will go cd today, enter. Okay, now we are inside today. Now we can see what all things are created here. So we can write ls. Okay, now you can see everything is installed here. Okay, now you need to go to your Visual Studio. Okay, go to your Visual Studio. Yeah. After going to Visual Studio, you need to click on Files, click on Open. Yeah. Apple. Okay. Demo today. And we need to open this today. Okay. See, this is the main thing, node modulus. This you need to take care of. If this will get installed, then only you able to run your project. Okay. Now after this, see, everything's in Angular. We node modulus is installed. After that, we can see package.json. What all the package gets installed, like animation, common compiler, core, forms. Okay. Nothing you need to do yourself. When you run this command npm install, everything gets installed and it will update the dependencies. Okay. In future video, we will see all this thing in detail. Okay, now we will see how to run this application. Okay, if this node modulus is not created at that time, what you need to do, you need to go to your terminal. Okay, in terminal you need to write here npm install. Okay, same thing, it will generate a node modulus file. I will not do it here because it will take more time. Okay, fine. Now we will see how we can run this application. See, for running this application we have ng-serve. Okay, if you write ng-serve, it will give you the port number and it will run. Okay, ng, sure, enter. You can make it yes or no. No issue. Now once this package gets generated, everything, you will get the port. Okay, once everything will compile, you will get the url where this application will run. See, now everything runs successfully. Okay, and we get the port number where we need to run it, right? Localhost 4200. If you copy this url, okay, if you copy this url and go to your Google, if you go to your Google And if you hit that URL, see, you're getting application running now. Okay. Now see, I will make the further changes and I will show you. Now what you need to do, see, if you want to see your changes, whether means your changes are reflecting or not, in this we have SRC source folder. Okay, inside the source we have app. Okay, inside the app we have module.ts where all configuration dependencies we will add it here. Okay, like whatever the in future like Bootstrap, Angular material we're using, for that we will import it here. Whatever like button or something we will use in future, I will tell you. Okay, this is app model.ts file. Okay, after that we have app component.ts. Okay, here this is the place where we write the logics, like how it means any logic, any click event I want to add the alert or something. Okay, and the spec.ts file. So leave this one. We will not go through the testing one. Okay, this is the HTML file. Okay, in this HTML file, whatever changes you will do now, it will reflect in your DOM. DOM means this one. Okay, like see, if I delete this everything, control it, delete. Now if you go here, now you can see everything will get blank. Everything is blank now because I removed everything. Now if you want to see any, come like I will add one tag h1 and I will write it here. Today we gonna learn, learn. Now you can see whatever changes you will do it here. Now it will come at this place. Now you, I think pretty concept you can got what all things you need to do. Okay. Now just today I will conclude with this one, and in next video we will go through to make an applications in Angular. Okay. Just with few notes I will conclude. Like for installation, per first we need to install Visual Studio Code. Second thing Node.js and Bootstrap and Angular material we will see in next video. Okay. We will add the animations. We can add navbar, buttons, card, everything we will do in next video. Okay. And this thing is it is an editor. Okay, Visual Studio Code, it's editor where we will write the code. Okay, and for installation what we need to do, we need to npm install -g at the rate angular -cli at the rate 11 or 12, whatever you want to use it. Okay, you need, it is a, it show the version, which version will get installed. After that you can check from this thing whether it's installed in your system or not. If you are using Mac, then in Mac you need to, before npm you need to write here sudo. Okay, fine. After that you will get a option of a password. You need to give a password and it will get installed. Okay, and after this two thing, this is the place where you can check the Angular version and you can check Node version with a node happen be. You can check whether it's installed properly or not with these things. Okay. After this, for creating a first project, you can give a command ng new. Today I have given is whatever name you want to give. Like you want to give it's a laptop, it's a dating site or something. It's from your side. Okay, no worry. And after this one, you need to go to your Visual Studio. You need to open from your path, means where it's in your application, it's created in your desktop. Okay, we will need to go to file, open. Yeah, in open actually I have in stored in my Apple section. So I'll go to Apple and you can see demo today, and after click on today, don't go inside this one, you know, to be one back and click on this today and click on open. Then it will open here, and after that what you need to do, you need to run this one. Okay, for running I already told you, you need to go to that's what's coming. Okay, you need to open your terminal. From here you will get the option terminal. Okay, you need to click here new terminal. In the terminal section, in the terminal section, you need to write ng sir. Ng sir, what it will do, it will give you the URL where you can run the application. Okay, and if you don't want to hit from yourself, okay, don't want to copy and paste in Google, you can use ng serve -o. It will automatic open that particular port. Okay, and if you're getting conflict within the port, like already I'm running this application. Okay, and again if I open a new tab, okay, and in this place again what I'm doing, again I'm writing ng serve, okay, -o. Then it can give me a conflict because already it's running in some port. Okay, we can see. See, it's asking now, would you like to use a different port? If you make yes, it will again open to a different port. So when you're getting a code conflict, means port conflict, you can use this thing. You can make yes, or if you want to you want to give port by yourself, so you can use ng serve port 78888. Anything you can give, and after that in this port it will run the application. Okay, you can see I hated this one. It's running in 58263. Automatic is taking different port. Okay. Now we got the few of the concepts. This is how we can create a project, how we can run the application. And in coming videos, I will go through the deep into the component and module and package.json, angular.json, what it tells. Okay. That's all for today. Just try to do by yourself and let me know if any issues, please let me know in comment section. Next video I will cover it. This one. Okay. Thanks for today.